I'm Alric Heck, founder and CEO of Ad Outreach. I've scaled my coaching and consulting company, Ad Outreach, to over 8 figures. And today, I'm going to be diving into some of your most asked questions right now. So YouTube ads beat Facebook ads. That is one of the big things that I'm known for. And one of the reasons that I am so bullish on YouTube ads is not just the background that I have really, but it's also the fact that YouTube ads have intent. In order to get a conversion, you need to reach the right person at the right time with the right message. And that's what you do on YouTube is you can get in front of people while they're in what I call the learner's mindset. They're on YouTube, they're watching videos, they're looking to learn, and you can reach them at the perfect time. Whereas if you think about Facebook or other platforms like that, people are just kind of scrolling. They're mindlessly scrolling. We've all done it. And it's more about pattern interrupts, right? So kind of interrupting the pattern of scrolling. Oh, that's kind of interesting. I might take a look at that. Versus on YouTube, people are actually looking to learn, and you can reach them at the perfect moment. The most overrated Google ad campaign type, oh my goodness. Using display traffic for cold traffic to actually get new customers. So display are the ads that pop up. These are kind of like banner ads that appear on different websites. Google's rolled out other versions of this called discovery ads at different points in time, but basically they're like banner ads. Those are actually really, really good for retargeting. You go to a website, now the banner ads follow you around, remind you to buy a product. But when it comes to actually cold traffic, banner ads are not really the best place to actually get in front of people. So I would say the most overrated is probably going to be those banner ads for cold traffic. So this has evolved over time. At one point, it was YouTube ads. I remember in the past, I would get on a call and I literally had people laugh at me and say, YouTube ads for conversions? I've never heard of anybody doing that. And at the time, it was absolutely underrated, but it's also not as early adopter as it once was when I had gotten started. What I would say is pretty underrated right now, in-feed ads, I think are currently underrated. So a lot of people know in-stream ads are the ads that appear in front of other videos on YouTube. Those are the ones that drive direct traffic, drive direct conversions. There's a different type of YouTube ad called in-feed ads that are in search results or alongside videos as suggested videos, and you can click on those as if you naturally found it on your own. So I think what's really underrated right now is taking a longer-term approach strategy of using in-feed ads to grow your channel, build up what I call the YouTube channel incubator that warms up ideal clients to get them ready to convert. So honestly, the best way to get started with high-ticket coaching or consulting is to first identify what is that core expertise that you have, that you're passionate about, and then packaging that in a way that creates an offer that solves a problem. You're not selling your time, you're not selling deliverables, you are solving a problem. You are putting together a package, a high-ticket package. That is the ultimate way to really craft a high-ticket offer that is going to see the best success. And then from there, what you want to do is you want to start by validating that offer, and you'll actually do that organically. I'm a big believer in ads. That's the best way to scale. You don't want to be on the organic grind forever, but really start posting content about your expertise, short form content, text posts, and long form videos here on a platform like YouTube. Invite people into booking a call, have a conversation, and then walk them through the offer. The more offers you make, the faster you'll get to those initial clients that validate your offer. Once you do that, then you're gonna be ready for paid ads like YouTube ads, which, me, I'm a big believer in YouTube versus Facebook, but there's a lot of different paid ad platforms. Ultimately, the whole idea with paid ads, though, is using a platform like here on YouTube to get in front of your ideal clients and then get them to, raise their hand, say, hey, I wanna learn more, give them something for free, like a free training, a PDF, and from there, you're going to invite them to book a call, and that's going to systematize the process. So now you know that you can put dollars into ads, you get a certain amount of people to see your video, a certain amount will click, a certain amount will opt in, they'll watch your training, and then a certain amount will book a call, and then from that, a certain amount will become a client. It basically becomes a funnel that goes into those new clients. So I think everything is really shifting towards video, and we've been seeing this over time, and it's just accelerating more and more. People want to connect through video. Video is really second only to meeting someone in person or going to an event and being, right there with them face to face. And video, honestly, in many ways are actually even superior to that because you have the ability to create a polished piece of material that you can get in front of more people, because you can't possibly meet every single person face to face that you can impact. And so if you have the ability to create videos, whether they be YouTube videos, be short form content, ads that can go and inspire people, I am a big believer in videos. That's why the book that I'm working on is all about the power of turning viewers into clients, video clients, and the key elements of that. So a little teaser there, and if you want to know when that comes out, make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out some of my free resources down below that'll get you on our email list. So we'll let you know as soon as that book comes out. So the next big move that we really have and we're focused on right now is continuing to grow ad outreach in a way that builds more recurring revenue and consistency on that side. Also in a way that adds in our software keyword search that I've been working on that does AI ad targeting. And I think that the combination of looking at how we can support and continue to support clients long term and build the tools that they need even before they realize that they need these tools, and then continuing to innovate. We're always on the cutting edge of YouTube ads, but I think that the next kind of step is innovating into the world of overall video marketing. And that's something I've always been passionate about, and YouTube is the main kind of conduit for that. But I think that there's big opportunities to really look at video holistically as well. You always want to make sure that you're testing, because you never know what that next big breakout success is. Even if you have one breakout success, you want to test other things because you want to see what can beat the control. In the world of marketing and business, it's always about beating the control. That is how you innovate. You need to constantly be testing, trying new things. And I think one thing that allows us to innovate at the level that we do in the world of YouTube ads and video marketing is we have both depth and breadth. What we mean by that is we've got breadth of clients. So we've worked with thousands of clients to help them implement YouTube ads into their business at any given time, working with hundreds of different clients. And so we see a breadth of clients, and we see across a variety of different industries, majority coach, consultant, course creator. And so we see what's working with a breadth of knowledge, but we also have depth because we're also spending a lot. I recently shared that we spent over $7.7 million on YouTube ads. And that gives us a depth of knowledge that we combine with our breadth of knowledge across working with thousands of clients. And that allows us to impart the best knowledge onto our clients and constantly be iterating across our own accounts and our clients' accounts to test and see what creates the best results, to innovate and being on the cutting edge. So the best way to tailor an advertising strategy is to figure out what makes that particular offer unique, how you can focus on that and emphasize that inside of an ad, and then that becomes the way that you can hook, educate, and have a clear call to action with that specific ad to craft a winning ad that really demonstrates that core expertise, everything that you have as a coach, consultant, course creator. You want to inject that expertise into that ad so that people know, like, and trust you. They need to see you, they need to be hooked in, you need to provide value on the ad, have a call to action to get them to click off, consume the content inside of the rest of your funnel. So that could be a training, could be a free resource. Then from there, that's gonna lead to booking a call and becoming a client. What you wanna do is you wanna tailor the video and tailor the targeting of the ad. You wanna reach the right person at the right time with the right message. Those are the three keys to really ensure that your ad's gonna get the best results. You need to get all three of those right to see the best success with those ad campaigns. Yeah, so some of the biggest mistakes are people that are really just going in and creating ads that don't really provide real value. On YouTube, you really want to make sure that you are providing value inside of the ad. That's why we call it a value ad. Remember, people are on YouTube to learn. They're watching videos. You want to get in front of them when they're in the learner's mindset and give them what they're looking for. Now, second biggest mistake is on the targeting side. On the targeting side, a big mistake that people make is they just use the pre-built Google audiences and expected to get outsized results. It's kind of like buying the S&P 500 and expecting massive returns. You're gonna get consistent, steady returns. Again, YouTube ads is better than not running YouTube ads, right? If you're just using kind of the standard, just like investing. But if you're looking to get alpha returns, you need to do something different. And that is training Google's AI by building your own custom audiences, not just relying on the existing audiences. You want to build your own custom audiences so you can essentially teach Google and YouTube's AI who you're looking to reach. And you can actually do this by adding in what people are searching for on YouTube or Google, what their interests are, videos, URLs, right? The different websites that they're going to. There are ways to go and build these custom audiences based on who that person is, and then teaching and training Google and YouTube on who that ideal client is. If you're interested in having us help you leverage the power of YouTube ads, get more consistent leads and sales, all you got to do is book a complimentary strategy call. I will post that link down below in the description. You can talk with our team. We'll understand exactly where you're at, where you're looking to go, what your goals are, and we will map out a game plan and strategy to get there, leveraging the power of YouTube ads. It is a complimentary strategy call with one of my top YouTube ads advisors. There is nothing to lose by hopping on this call, but everything to gain. Worst case, you end up with a great strategy on how you can leverage the power of YouTube ads. Best case, we map that out and we actually can work with you to help implement that into your business so you can really start seeing the results that you're looking for. Link down below, click that link, and I will see you there.